What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert. We are here in San Luis Obispo about to tour this new resale listing that we have. San Luis Obispo is a great city. There's many options you have for shopping, hiking, and you're only about 10 miles away from Avila Beach. Right across the street from Silver City is the San Luis Obispo Public Market. This is a major meetup spot for a lot of people in the city. Everybody goes there. It's a great place to spend time with your family and friends. Silver City has all the amenities that you would need, like a clubhouse, swimming pool, and it's managed very well. The property managers here really do care about the community and the residents. All right, so this home was built in 2009. This home has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The dimensions are 20 by 49, which gives you 980 square feet. This home has a great floor plan that's perfect for your family. You can buy this home now in place for $264,900. When you look at the average price of a home in San Luis Obispo, this is a steal. The exterior of the home is very simple. We have these 2 large windows that lead to the living area, and they provide tons of natural light. We have a simple, clean exterior with space for parking in the front. Tell us what you think about the curb appeal of this home. Do you like it? Do you not like it? What would you change about it? When you walk in, the utility closet is great. It's got extra storage on the top, with a side-by-side washer and dryer that does come with the home. Now let's take a look at the first bedroom. You can easily fit a full bed, maybe even a queen bed. This room has a standard closet. This guest bathroom is great, has everything you need. We have a single sink, toilet, and a standing shower. Tell us in the comments if you would prefer to have a standing shower or a shower tub combo in your guest bathroom. Let's go to the master bedroom. This room is a great size. You can fit a queen size bed in here very comfortably. A great thing about this room is the large walk-in closet that it has. If you're somebody that has tons of stuff, tons of shoes, clothes, this home would be perfect for you. We have more cabinet space here in the bedroom. Now, let's go take a look at this master bathroom. Single sink, we have a large vanity, large mirrors, great storage space beneath the sink, and we have a shower tub combo. Tell us in the comments what you would rate this master bed and bath combo from 1 to 10. You'll notice the layout that we were talking about. The living area is a very good size. You have a tons of space to put your sofa, your TV, any other accessories that you want to add to your home. Going from the living area to the dining area, you can fit a 3 to 5 person dining table. This kitchen really stands out. First, the cabinets are really nice. They're a great color. It matches well with the color of the flooring. You have all these appliances that come with the home. Again, this is very standard. You just have everything that you absolutely need. The main feature of this kitchen is the skylight. The skylights add tons of natural light, and they allow whatever area that you put them in to feel more open. A large part of what makes a house beautiful is the amount of natural light it gets. A skylight is a great option to put into a new home, and you're lucky that you get it in this home. That's it for this home tour. Like and subscribe for new home tours every week. And check out HomeQuestSales.com for more listings. We have homes for sale all over California, and we have an incredible team that can help you find a home wherever you're located. Check us out on all our social platforms linked in the description, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for new home tours every single week. We'll see you in the next video.